Hello, hi everyone. Today I am going to make and show how to make fried cooked chicken. We'll see what are the ingredients need for that. We need 1 kilo fried chicken and 150 grams of onion, chicken stock. From this chicken only I made the stock, and after that I fried, and turmeric powder, cumin powder, chili powder, and we need other chili, and we need cinnamon, cardamom, RAMPE, pinch and clove, and we need little pepper and tomato, capsicum. We'll see how we'll see how to make that one. One tablespoon of sugar, mix it well. We'll add this everything to the tempered pan. And we will add little oil for temper this. Here we need 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and we are adding other all ingredients like the RAMPE, jalapeno, onion, chili, little fry. We'll add this into this, and we'll add the chicken also and keep it for 10 minutes to boil. If you want more spicy, you add another tablespoon of chili. Here I add another tablespoon of chili powder, and I am adding the chicken. And keep for 10 minutes cook. After that, add the capsicum and at last, when you are going to off the flame, you add the capsicum and the tomato. I put 2 teaspoons of salt in this curry, and add the capsicum and the tomato, and mix it well and off the flame. Here I am going to off this. We are going to turn off the cooker. Here, like this only, my curry. Here's the fried cooked chicken. You also make a taste and see.